Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel, Marilet's World. On this video, we're going to assemble some personal care packages. I've been couponing for many months now and I've accumulated some items that are very cheap and most of the time free. And I'm going to put together some items to make personal care package. There's a small homeless encampment near the work of my brother-in-law where he drop off some donations sometimes. So that is where we're going to distribute these packages. First, we're going to sort the items and see how much package we can assemble. We're going to use gloves so it will be sanitary. I'm going to include these chapsticks on the package. These are individually wrapped sticks, so I have no problem breaking them down. These chapsticks are good for dry lips. I got these for 10 cents on clearance. We have some toothpaste here, so we're going to need some toothbrush. There's not a lot of brushes here. Some are individually wrapped. And for the 2-pack and 3-pack toothbrushes, I'm going to break down these packages and separate them. I'm going to put them in its own Ziploc bag so they will be sanitary. I'm going to use these storage bag and sandwich bags from Walgreens Complete Home brand. I usually get this on sale, buy one get two for free. So if we break down these toothbrushes, we can make more personal care packages for more people. One. So I did not touch the brush with my bare hands. Now we're going to do some razors. I'm going to open these disposable razors and put 2 pieces each in one bag. We also have some men's razor. I don't have baby wipe, but if you're planning to do this and you have extra baby wipes, I think that's an important part of personal care package. I have some feminine care products here that we can add to the care packages for women. One personal care package for female, we're going to put toothpaste, toothbrush, 2 razors, chapstick, 1 feminine care product, and a bottle of water. I have extra deodorant, so I'm going to put some of these deodorants on the men's personal care package. We've made 19 care packages. Each bag is going to have a roll of toilet paper. for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, Marilet's World, and check out the playlist for uploads on couponing, DIY, restoration, and other food-related videos. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.